Meet the Eureka E10s, a robot vacuum and mop combo that brings powerful cleaning, smart navigation, and a unique bagless self-emptying station, all designed to make home cleaning effortless. If you've been looking for a high-performance, hands-free cleaning solution, this one deserves your attention. Let's start with one of its biggest highlights, the bagless self-emptying station. Unlike traditional docks that rely on disposable dust bags, the E10s uses a bagless system that can hold debris for up to 45 days. This not only saves you the ongoing cost of replacement bags, but also keeps dust sealed away, reducing mess and maintenance. When it comes to cleaning power, the E10s delivers 4,000 pascals of suction strength. That means it can dig deep into carpets, sweep away fine dust from hard floors, and easily capture tangled pet hair. Whether you've got kids, pets, or both, this robot can handle the mess with fewer sweeps and better results. But suction isn't everything. Navigation is equally important. The E10s uses precision LiDAR mapping combined with PSD technology to scan your home, detect obstacles, and create accurate routes. This ensures efficient cleaning without missed spots or repeated passes. It also gets close to walls, corners, and furniture edges for more meticulous coverage. As a 2-in-1 vacuum and mop combo, the E10s adapts to multiple surfaces. It automatically detects carpets and lifts the mop to avoid soaking rugs, while still giving your hard floors a polished clean. And when it returns to the dock, the mop is lifted to prevent dripping, keeping your space neat and dry. Control is made easy with the Eureka app. From your phone, you can schedule cleanings, adjust suction and water flow, and set no-go zones with pinpoint accuracy. The E10s supports multi-cleaning modes, so you can target specific rooms, create custom cleaning schedules, or let it handle the entire level of your home. Plus, it works with voice assistants like Alexa, giving you true hands-free control. In daily use, the E10s proves to be reliable and efficient. Its dual brush heads cover more ground in less time, the battery life supports full-level cleaning without interruptions, and the robot rarely gets stuck thanks to its smart path planning and obstacle avoidance. Overall, the Eureka E10s is an impressive robot vacuum that balances power, convenience, and affordability. With its bagless 45-day self-emptying dock, strong 4,000 pascal suction, LiDAR navigation, and carpet-friendly mop system, it's a smart choice for families, pet owners, or anyone looking to simplify their cleaning routine. If you want a robot that can handle the mess while keeping maintenance minimal, the Eureka E10s is definitely worth considering.